Showcasing our RSA's robust surveillance system, we unfold Chapter 1, Defending Our Skies. When there are possible air tracks, our fighter jets are activated to respond against them. This is what happens behind the scenes. Pilots and ground crew are exhibiting the swift response time that is required in countering air threats that may intrude our airspace.
Pilots carry out their startup checks to ensure that everything is set up correctly. At the same time, the ground crew ensures that the aircraft is ready to go.
As you can see, teamwork is vital to launch an aircraft expeditiously. In the heart of our sophisticated aircraft and weapon systems lies people working seamlessly as a team to ensure operational readiness and mission success. The F-16 is the most prolific and sought-after single-landing fighter aircraft in the world. A key feature in the F-16 is the frameless double canopy, which provides the pilot with the best visibility of any fighter aircraft. The fighter has a total of 9 hardpoints for weapon stations. Its laser-guided weapons enables the pilot to strike targets with accuracy at standoff range.
The F-15 is a twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter designed for air superiority in aerial combat. It is a twin-engine with the pilot flying the aircraft in the front cockpit, accompanied by the weapon system officer who controls the targeting system on board at the rear. The F-15SG is equipped with 15 hardpoints for weapon stations, which enables them to carry a large variety of both conventional and precision standoff weapons. Prior to taxi, the pilots perform weapons and system checks to ensure that the aircraft is fully operational. Final arming checks are then carried out by the ground crew before the pilot taxis out from his parking base.
Oh, mama buka.
The pair of F-16 Falcons ready themselves to race down the runway for a swift takeoff, followed by a zoom flash. The F-15 Eagles in turn powered up their twin engines for a roaring takeoff, quickly followed by a cruise speed climb.
If you had noticed, it only took me a minute to get all